All right, so here we are. We're loaded up. We're in the Jeep 4x8 U-Haul trailer, stuffed to the gills behind us. The dogs are tucked away in their little hidey hole. And we are off. A little bit later start. It's 11:30. We were planning on trying to get out of here by 8. We weren't in a big hurry. There's a lot of wind south of us. So we took our time a little bit, took a shower, got a little coffee. But we are off.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
So we'll see you down the road. Welcome to California. Woo-hoo!
All right, we are in Rockport, Texas, having a breakfast. Bagel and cream cheese.
I just dropped my bagel. Damn.
Megan's going to town already. And we are getting ready to go see our boat.
See if we can find it.
Find our boat. Boat. We've been in the car since Saturday at noon. And it is Tuesday at 8:40. We got here last night about 2 o'clock in the morning and just slept in the car. Look forward to sleeping in a bed tonight and taking a shower. Dad's concentrating on his cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. And make Dad's smiling. What do you think,
She's so
Megan?
big.
She's big, huh?
Yeah.
That's not a chew.
Oz is
He looked
freaking
at
out
that.
over everything.
He looked at that buoy and tried to eat it.
Okay, come on.
Hey, there's a catamaran.
Hey, no, look. No.
He likes the big.
We have a bungee. We have a bungee.
Woo!
So what do you think? First impression, Dad?
Dad, he's chewing it.
No, no. It's big. It's really big.
Needs a little work, but
Not not bad. I mean, the hole was clean. You know, that's just coming right off. See? You see?
he's like, ow, ow.
You know.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Go this way.
Don't chew the grass.
Go with that. And then tell me how excited you are.
I'm really excited.
The hole's actually pretty clean.
Oz really, really wants to eat the buoys.
Oz is excited.
So
Yeah.
excited.
Your first impressions.
She's very big. I can't wait to get up in her.
You're tangled, Oz. Look at Oz.
Oz, get untangled.
Your dog is a freak.
Come here, bud. Hey. Yeah.
Get that rope.
I have dog.
He likes
Okay, I can't do both of these.
Hey, look, it's got our name on it. Look at that.
Whoa.
It says Backland
Oh, that makes sense now. I was like, why does it have our name on it?
because it's our boat. It's got my name on it and
And I
everything.
spelled it correctly.
Yep, that means we peed on it.
Woo.
It's been peed on. It's ours.
That actually feels.
And look at those are our barnacles. Got some barnacles. Oh, look, there's barnacles on the propeller.
Come on, don't eat the grass.
Those gotta get scraped off, hey?
So how excited are you, Dad?
This makes me not as tired.
That works.
I'm still really tired.
I bet. This is Dulcinea, soon to be Nyx, hopefully. Hopefully.
This is how we named everything next.
Yeah, do the check first. The pooches are excited. Oz really likes the two buoys. So yeah, finally in Texas. She is a big boat. Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm in the boat. It's really high up here. It's kind of scary, but the boat's cool.
Oz really wants up there.
You can look in. You can't see me.
Cigar box. This is kind of nice, little stepway. I've never been in a boat before. nav station. It's a little musty in here, but not bad. Here's the kitchen. Smells like grease or something. Here's my bedroom. I don't know if I'm taking a very good video or not. I'm just trying to step over everything. Oh my god. This is my boat. Oh, from that window that leaks over there. Yeah, we'll have to fix that. The bathroom. Megan's in the room. She's got a nice light. And the second bathroom. 2 bathrooms. Whoop, whoop. This isn't bad at all. It definitely needs a bath and some windows reset, but everything else looks like it's in pretty good shape. I mean, that one just needs replaced because it's not there at all. The wood's just dusty, so that's good. Cushions. Seating area is bigger than it looks. That'd be pretty nice. Dad said I couldn't say anything, so I'm not going to say anything. But I wonder if they want me to get down. Oh, look at that monkey girl go.
Okay. This is my first time in the boot. It's already pretty stinky, but what was expected. Oh man. This is my room. Excitement. There's a toilet in here. Oh, I like the doorknobs. This is cool. Dad's gonna be happy about all this fishing stuff. Ooh, get some movies. cool. This is Mom and Dad's room. Excitement. I am super duper excited. Can't wait. This is the main bathroom. I can't wait. Ooh, going back up.
Open up the case a little bit. So here we are inside finally. Finally getting the first look. This is the front V berth. Little nuts and bolts.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Happy dance?
I'm too tired for happy dance.
Now what?
There's a lot of stuff on that boat.
There is a lot of stuff on
The
the
tool chests are full.
tools.
Tools and stuff.
Oh, that's cool.
The aft berth is very short.
It's good for Megan. She likes to whack her. All right.
Yeah.
So I think the first plan of attack is to find the big roll of black garbage bags.
Oh yeah. I don't know where those are.
And how to get the dogs up there.
Oh god.
Walmart. Yeah. Yeah. Place to sleep, how to get the ladder out. How to get the ladder out. And some music and a coffee. I want coffee.
Dr. Pepper. I want Dr. Pepper.
I want lemonade.
Freak. Coffee.
So, you've seen it. There's 2 bathrooms, just so you know. Heads. 2
Yep.
heads.
2 heads.
Woohoo! Megan's got her own bathroom. Bloop, bloop. Oz is full of stickers because there are stickers, and I already got bleeding from a sticker.
I already got bleeding.
Already got bleeding.
I already got bleeding.
I talk goodly after 4 days of driving.
Hey, you said something
I
about the
was the first one
supermarket.
to bleed. from a sticker.
Oh my gosh, wow. Mom's the first to bleed on this trip, guys. That's a surprise.
That is really a surprise. Alright, so you gonna talk to her and ask her if she's ready to get cleaned up?
No, she already told me.
She already told you?
Yep.
The boat?
Yep.
Okay. I was very good.
She said she's very excited to see us.
And this lifts up.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it doesn't create a drag.
Yeah.
The swim ladder is a wonderful thing already. It helped me get in
It's
the
also
boat.
a door. Dude, why? It's also a door. It'll keep that closed.
Alright, okay.
Not her.
Well, tell these people you'll talk to them later.
I'll
we're
talk
gonna
to
get
you
busy.
Later.
What's up?
I climb it.
No, we're gonna get the ladder out.
Oh. Okay. That's
Okay, Megan, Dad did his little dance. The happy dance.
what was it? I like the top
I
bit.
don't know, I just flailed around.
That's a good